Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I really do hope that you guys are keeping safe. So in today's video we are going to be making this amazing chicken masala, and I'm gonna take you guys through it. This is really delicious, and you can have this with chapati, you can have this with rice. I've seen other people have it with ugali, but I would prefer you to have this with some really nicely made rice. So if you're not subscribed to this channel, kindly hit the subscribe button so that anytime you want to make this chicken masala, you're able to refer to this recipe easily. And also don't forget to hit the notification bell so that anytime I upload a new video, you will be notified. So let's get on with the video. So the first step is to thoroughly wash your chicken, and today I'm gonna be using chicken thighs. You can use any part of chicken that you like. You can even use a whole chicken if you want. So I'm just going to thoroughly wash my chicken, and make sure you drain off all the excess water after washing. The next step is to add in half a cup of plain yogurt, 1 tablespoon of chicken masala, 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder, and then I'm gonna mix it well with my hands until it's well combined. And make sure that your hands are very clean. And then I'm gonna add in some salt to taste. When it comes to salt, you can add in as much as you want, and then I'm going to continue mixing with my hands. The next step is to cover and let it sit for 2 hours in the fridge. So after 2 hours, these are the ingredients that you're going to need for the next process. So you will need 2 large onions, nicely chopped, a bunch of coriander or dhania, 2 blended tomatoes, 1 tablespoon of garlic and ginger paste, 1 tablespoon of garam masala, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, 1 tablespoon of tomato paste, 5 tablespoons of cooking oil, and Maggi cube or Royco cube. So I'll go ahead and place my pot on fire, and then I'm gonna add in the cooking oil. So when the cooking oil is nicely heated, I'm gonna go ahead and add in my chopped onions. So I'm gonna cook the onions until they're almost golden brown. So I want to let you know, like my mom always taught me, like if you want a nicely tasty food, always use enough onions and not a lot of cooking oil. So when the onions are almost golden brown, I'm gonna go ahead and add in my garlic and ginger paste. And then I'm going to give it a good mix. So we let the onions cook until they are nicely brown, golden brown. So when the onions are nicely brown, I'm gonna go ahead and add in my blended tomatoes and my cube, my Royco cube or Maggi cube, and then I'll add in my tomato paste and just give it a good mix. So after mixing, I'm gonna add in my garam masala and my coriander powder, and then I'm gonna give it another good mix. Yeah, yeah, yeah. So after mixing, I'll cover it and let it cook for about 5 minutes. And after 5 minutes, I'll go ahead and add in my marinated chicken that has been sitting in the fridge for about 2 hours. Never skip the part of marinating your chicken because you want all the nice chicken masala flavor. So make sure you let it sit in the fridge for 2 hours. Never skip the step. Never skip that step. So I'll just give it a good mix so that everything is well combined. So I'll cover it and let it cook for about 5 minutes. So after 5 minutes, I'll give it another good mix, and then I'll add in some water. Now I'll add in about half a cup of water. This will also depend on the amount of stew that you want, but I would like my gravy nice and thick, so I'll just add in about half a cup or 3/4 cup of water. 3/4 should be the topmost, and then I'll give it a good mix, and then I'll cover and let it cook for about 15 minutes. So after 15 minutes your chicken is ready. As you can see, it looks so delicious. It's not completely ready because we have one more ingredient to add in, so I'll just mix it or just stir it to prevent it from sticking, and then I'll add in my coriander, my fresh coriander, and then I'll cover for about a minute. And after a minute your chicken is perfectly ready. This is now ready for serving, and as you can see, it's nice and thick and so sumptuous. Just by the look of it you can know that it's really tasty. So I'll go ahead and serve my chicken masala. As you can see, it's so delicious. I don't even need to tell you that. And this you can serve with chapati, you can serve it with naan bread, you can have it with some rice. I don't know what really works for you, but I would prefer mine with chapati or rice. If you don't know how to make chapati, I have a recipe which I'll put in the link description down below so that you can check it out. So guys, as you can see, our chicken masala is ready. And also, if you're not subscribed and you're watching this video, kindly hit the subscribe button. Kindly hit the subscribe button so that anytime you want to make this recipe, you're able to find it immediately. You're able to find it easily. And also don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you're notified anytime I upload a new video. Don't forget to like this video and share it with your friends, and I really do hope that I'm gonna see you guys in my next video. Happy cooking, guys.
Always on the road.